Ang DOE, 2 days lang. Tama ba yun? Parang wala kayong urgency sa katawan, ayos lang. Can you please explain the rationale for this madness? At nagagalit ang tao, 2 araw lang kayo magtatrabaho sa harap ng krisis? Bakit ganun? Kayo inaasahan. Namamatay na yung tao ng gutom, hindi na makapaghanap buhay. Wala nang ani, wala nang pagkain. At ang DOE ay nagbabakasyon. Tama ba yun?
All of them are working even harder now than we kahit ano.
Dapat lang po, dapat lang. But how does DOE manage the crisis if half of its personnel is away? Kahit i-zoom mo pa yan nakatakot-takot, kung nangangalahati lang at 2 araw lang, yan lang talaga maaasahan. Anong klase yan? Lahat ng gobyerno, 4 na araw. Ang sabi ng Pangulo, 4 na araw. Ang private company, wala ngang tapang na magsara kahit 1 araw sa nervyos dahil ang sama ng kalagayan natin. Bakit kayo 2 days? May isa na lang huling hirit ako kay Secretary Garin. Alam natin, ang lead agency ng department ng krisis na ito, ang inaasahan na tutulong at tututok sa krisis ng langis ay ang Department of Energy. Tama po ba? Pati yung attached agencies, they're supposed to take the lead in handling the energy crisis as we understand it today, including ERC, NAPOCOR, lahat ng narito, higit sa lahat PNOC with legendary reserves kung saan man sila. And this is stated in your mandate. And the President also wrote that, in fact, there would be a cutting back in government agencies to 4 days. However, I am in possession of Department Order DO 2026-03-0006, under which the department, through the order of the Secretary, has adopted only 2 days of on-site work per week, with only 50% of DOE officials and employees reporting. And the rest is all work from home. In comparison to Memo Circular 114, they were mandated for a 4-day on-site work arrangements. Our private companies, in order to make a living and to stay above water, have chosen to stay on-site 5 days. Hindi sila nagbabawas. Only a few companies like Del Monte and Aboitiz, nagbawas nga, Monday naman to Thursday. Ang DOE, 2 days lang. Tama ba yun? Parang wala kayong urgency sa katawan, ayos lang. Can you please explain the rationale for this madness? At nagagalit ang tao, 2 araw lang kayo magtatrabaho sa harap ng krisis?
Mr. Chair, work from home doesn't mean that we don't work, ma'am. We work every day. We meet every day, even in weekends. We haven't stopped actually for 8 weeks already.
Yan kasi,
Hindi po-
sinabi ninyo kanina na yung i-accelerate yung approvals. Ang daming nagre-reklamo. Wala daw silang mahagilap sa DOE, PNOC for the approvals of contracts, for the approvals of different projects. Walang tao. 2 araw lang. Di nila alam kung sinong papasok, sinong hindi. Doon pa sa 2 araw, kalahati lang daw papasok. 50% daw yung memo ninyo. Bakit ganun? Kayo inaasahan. Namamatay na yung tao ng gutom, hindi na makapaghanap buhay. Wala nang ani, wala nang pagkain. At ang DOE ay nagbabakasyon. Tama ba yun?
Mr. Chair, hindi po nagbabakasyon ng DOE. I mean, we work from 8 up to 8 in the evening, doing meetings and doing everything that we can do just to keep our country sufficient in supply and monitor the prices. All of them are working even harder now than we kahit ano.
Dapat lang po, dapat lang. But how does DOE manage the crisis if half of its personnel is away? Kahit i-zoom mo pa yan nakatakot-takot, kung nangangalahati lang at 2 araw lang, yan lang talaga maaasahan. Anong klase yan? Lahat ng gobyerno, 4 na araw. Ang sabi ng Pangulo, 4 na araw. Ang private company, wala ngang tapang na magsara kahit 1 araw sa nervyos dahil ang sama ng kalagayan natin. Bakit kayo 2 days?
2 days, ma'am, because we are aware that we have to save energy and electricity in this. From the get-go, we wanted to
Sa
push.
sobrang saving naman ninyo, Secretary Garin, hindi naman yata tama na walang pumapasok yung mga oil stakeholders, lahat ng umaasa na makabili ng mas murang langis, walang mahagilap sa DOE. Wala raw katao-tao sa PNOC. Wala daw tao sa ERC. Ano ba ito?
Mr. Chair, the bureau that's OIMB, that's downstream, that's there all the time, even on weekends. PNOC is there also. ERC is there also. All the personnel na dapat nag-handle ng mga frontline natin, nandyan, Mr. Chair. Those that are not in the office are continuously working. These are all, we have had a system of e-signatures, and this is not lang. I'm sorry, pero hindi po I mean, you can see naman kung anong pinanggagawa namin over the last 8 weeks. It is not because they are at home and they are not doing anything or nanonood lang ng TV doon or hindi nagtatrabaho. We can show it in our accomplishments, Mr. Chair. Lahat po sila overtime yan. Hindi po nagtigil ang trabaho dahil work from home. The objective of work from home is not to stop working. It is to become more efficient. Ngayon po, we are trying to save for the country para
Hindi ba sinabi ng Pangulo na 4 days? Bakit kayo kinalahati pa yung 4 days? Hirap na hirap. Yung mga pumupunta sa DOE, magpapapirma sa PNOC, walang tao. Andito Section 3 mo Eto the DOE shall implement a hybrid work arrangement whereby officials and employees shall render 2 days on-site work per week. Ibig sabihin, wala sila doon. Sino naman ang magtatrabaho? Sinong pipirma? Sinong kakausapin? Sino mag-a-approve ng kinakailangan natin kapag ganyan? Kaya pala, pag nagtatanong kami, wala na kayong sinabi, kundi pag-aaralan, ire-review, babalikan, pagmimitingan. Kasi nga, 2 days a week.
Mr. Chair, PNOC is a GOCC, so I cannot speak for them, but I'm speaking on behalf of the
Pareho rin po.
But all contracts are all on deadline, Mr. Chair. Wala po kaming lahat po ng mga service contracts. They continuously, we only have 30 working days for that to sign, and those are signed before the 30 days. Lahat po ng meetings, we are still ongoing with that. Even our oil companies, our bulk distributors, everyone po, minimit po yan. Wala pong tigil po yan. Even on Friday, we have, I have 6 meetings with all the LGUs, and that doesn't stop us from working. Just the fact that baka sa iba po pag work from home di sa magtatrabaho, pero eto po yung DOE nagtatrabaho. I don't know what the arrangement is with PNOC.
Secretary naman, paano pipirma ng mga permitting na sinasabi nyo na accelerated hybridization? Paano pipirma ng iba't ibang mga renewable projects? Walang tao dun sa opisina.
We're automated, Mr. Chair.
Pambihira. Hindi naman online yung approval
It's online, Mr. Chair, because of the EVOS.
Hindi po. Marami po nagre-reklamo. In any case, I think that this memo that the lead agency will work as a mere 2 days a week in the face of this crisis is reprehensible and incomprehensible. Talaga naman habang ang taong bayan ay hirap na hirap, ang ating mga mangingisda ay naghihikahos, ang presyo ng pagkain at ang langis ay hindi ubos maisip, abay walang pakialam ang DOE at sila ay nagbabakasyon 2 araw sa 1 linggo ang pasukan. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami nagbabakasyon, Mr. Chair. We work very, very hard. I mean, all our USECs have individual assignments. Sa power, naayos po yung power. On the supply side po, non-stop po yan, paghanap ng supplier. On enforcement, our offices, even though wala kaming tao, pinupuntahan po lahat po ng mga reklamo. It's not stopping the work, Mr. Chair. our efficiency is even higher now because we are, despite the fact that we are work from home. Hindi po na titigilan yan. If there are applications for service contracts for renewable energy, that goes through EVOS. And all of that is on time. That is, those are applications, we comply with it, with the legal requirement that it has to be finished in 30 calendar days. Wala pong deemed approved yan kasi bawal po yan sa DOE. So we are doing everything on time. And if there are applications, our frontliners are there. Naka-assign yan na dapat kung may nag-apply po ng gusto nilang bagong gas stations, the office of Director Rino is there and they're actually practically there 7 days a week because of all these problems, Mr. Chair.
Secretary, I have no desire to argue with you, but the facts are evident. There's only a 2-day week as far as DOE is concerned at saksakan ang dami ng reklamo mula sa iba't ibang sektor, higit sa lahat ang sektor ng langis. Yun lang. Kaya siguro, kung maaari, balikan kaya natin itong memo ng ating Pangulo na 4-day on-site. At least man lang yung DOE. Bigyan ng konting diin itong krisis na hinaharap ng ating bansa.
May I suggest to the good secretary? I know that